How to create an agency in Pazzy. So hey guys, on today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create an agency in Pazzy. So to create an agency in Pazzy, all we need to do is open up our Pazzy right here. Once you open up our Pazzy right here, next up, there you will see B on the bottom right corner. Press on B right there. After pressing on B right there, you'll be located right here. And once you're here, all you need to do is just scroll down. Do you see create agency? Here at the create agency right here, all we need to do is press on the create agency. After pressing on the create agency, next step we need to do right here is, there you go, join the Pazzy guild. So here are the following information to prepare to move in. So as you can see, was Pazzy internet platform with more than 500 users overseas, and here are the requirements that you need. So once you completed all of the following requirements right there, now you can now join the Pazzy. So here, all we need to do is, once we open this up right here, you will see here are the requirements. Once you follow all the requirements, click on guild application. So once you done that, you're now able to join right here on the Pazzy guild. So yeah, there you go guys, that's how you do it. So join. If you have any more questions or any concerns, you can always type it down in the comment section below guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible here on how to rock it guys. And watch our other Pazzy videos here. There you go. And thank you guys. Does it